See, it's Liss coming level crossing. I'm kind of walking up to it. See, here's the fast from Portsmouth Harbour to London Waterloo. The time is now 8:49. Comes in a minute if it's on time. So let's walk up here. $8.50. So that's coming down now. I am meeting up with Hubby Moob, Love Crossing and Gaming at Liss coming today. The train is quite close. See, here's the fast. It's Harvey here. Harvey Moob. Where are you? To London Waterloo. Welcome to Liss coming Love Crossing. As you can hear, that alarm is sounding and this one isn't. And yes, I just reported it.
This station because they're going down at the same speed.
Yeah, by the way, we're on Liss Forest side, if well people are watching me. Hubby Moob, 123.
And happy birthday America, by the way, if anyone's watching from the USA.
Not happy birthday America, it's happy Independence Day.
Yeah, so happy Independence Day, sorry.
See, here's for London Waterloo to...
I think it looks like to me like it's hanging from a thread, even though it's not. But it looks like it from this angle, like that's going to come off.
No, it won't.
I wonder if we can keep it.
No.
Oh, it's going to take it away.
Yeah.
And throw it away, I'm assuming.
Like, I could fix it if I have the patience to, but then it will scare all of my dogs and everyone else. So
would you keep this alarm if they took it off? Oh.
They took it off, I would fix it.
And then give it back?
And yeah, basically give it back. So there you go, here's your broken alarm that is now fixed.
They'll be like, no thanks, there's no point. Something like that.
If they say no thanks. So okay.
No cross country running?
No, not this weekend.
You know the class number? I do.
I don't want to. No.
You don't want to say it?
No.
Me neither. There's no point. Did you see my lancing video? I had to keep fixing it because there were so many mistakes I made.
It's fine. Oh, here it comes. I've been on a 701.
Oh yeah, because you're going to, what is it, getting off at what station?
No. I'm guessing off at level.
Should we come down here tomorrow?
Yeah, Harvey.
Yeah.
You know how I filmed Trista?
Yeah, I saw you had a late start on that video.
Yep.
I hate it when you have a late start. 'Cause it's not good.
I don't mind having a late start, and it's like, it's
As
fine.
long as I get it before the barriers go out,
Yeah.
that's the most important part.
It's like when I was coming up here to see a pass before you came up.
Yeah, I marked off Havant to Lancing. I need to do Shoreham by Sea and Durham on Sea and whatnot. Still, I think I'll do that next week.
I'm end of July. I'm going to Muscombe in East Sussex.
What station?
Muscombe station.
What level crossing?
No, there's not a level crossing there.
What's the route going to be?
So what I'm doing is Billingshurst to Barnum, Barnum to Brighton, Brighton to Muscombe,
So you're going to mark off Shoreham by Sea, those like Who, Hove, Brighton.
London Road, Brighton. I'll make a video about that on the way.
I was going to do Camberley this week, but I didn't want to go to Guildford yet. Look how busy it is.
Guildford is actually really busy. It's like, yes, I go there, but
Here, the train. That goes to London. Imagine if we get stuck. It's weird how they have to scan to make sure it's clear before they open it. It's not very good. It's safe.
see, it's actually quite a perfect angle.
Mm-hmm. You rather thought it would be an idea.
I need to get a new phone holder for my tripod.
I do.
Yeah.
I think they're cheap now.
At least with mine, I can.
We should film in the dark again when it gets colder.
Yeah.
Like by what, September we should film him in the dark?
November, because that's... No, October, because that's when we filmed Liss Common last year.
Oh yeah.
So this is nearly 1 year old.
Nearly, well not quite. September 24th is when it'll be done. When it'll be a year old or...
October, because we had October half term when there's no trains were running.
Oh yeah.
So here's a fast to
Portsmouth.
Portsmouth
Harbour.
from London Waterloo.
Via Guildford.
Yeah, via Guildford.
Here it comes. London Waterloo to Portsmouth Harbour, expect cars 2027.
Right on the dot. It was 21:27.
Yep, 21:27. That's awesome. Yes, we are.
Yes. Have a great night, everyone, and see you next time. Goodbye.
See you next.
So here's Let's Come in Love Crossing in the dark. The time is currently 21:59. Last time I recorded Let's Come in Love Crossing in the dark was before it got renewed.
Well, technically the last day before it technically closed.
Yeah.
And that was our first nighttime video we did together, wasn't it?
Yes, it was actually.
We should do one on the 26th of September. We
Yeah.
should do that again. Because then we can be a year later special.
No,
It's possible.
26th of October.
The 26th of October. Oh yeah, I forgot he closed in October.
I literally told you like 10-20 minutes ago.
These lights are bright. They're out of sync though.
I'm surprised they don't have long cones on them because of the house literally right next door.
They should have long cones. Is the last train like 0014 or something?
It won't be until like 1 o'clock in the morning.
True. Oh, here comes
The first train,
See how fast this goes. I remember seeing trains go flying back in October through here. They were like max speed. We need to see that again.
with the signalling system, we sadly can't.
Like we used to. That is...
Could do it like that, but it's a bit too dark.
I in times one, I'm doing 0.6. There, you look at mine.
Yeah, I know.
Does it look good?
Yeah.
The sun's completely gone.
Mhm.
No, I missed enclosures with the...
Oh, that was a car. I thought that was a
I
train.
was about to say, it went down so late. Because we've only been down for 1 minute and 10 seconds, or a bit longer than that. Would you laugh if the crossing gets stuck?
Yes, I would, but also I would be annoyed because I need to walk over there to get home.
And if the gates don't go up, we're stuck.
Easiest thing is to call up the signal saying, "This common level crossing, the gates are stuck."
Yeah, I know.
They will say, "Okay, we'll send someone to fix it." I said, "Okay."
When I phoned the signal about this station getting stuck, the gates just went up. I'm guessing that's because they manually put them up.
Yeah.
Do they manually put them up when it's stuck?
Normally they do, yes.
But when it's not stuck, it's automatic?
Yes.
Does the crossing activate automatic though, or is it manually operated?
Manual, because it's still MCB manual crossing barriers.
Every time I phone every time I speak to Network Girl, they say it's always automatic. It's not.
It's normally when it goes down when Liss, like, it is automatic, but it's not. It's like
the radar knows. Oh, train's coming.
Yeah.
Let's see how fast it goes. 85 miles per hour. 90 miles per hour. Probably not. That's about like 30. I believe. Or less.
You realise it's this stopper.
Yeah, it is a stopper. 12. Man, I love these faraway shots. They're so good. It's got to clear first. Is it clear? Yep, it is clear. Everyone thinks there's another train coming, but it's good to stop to clear before the gates go up, otherwise they'll stay down automatically. You've got late starts on all of them, basically, haven't you?
Yep. That one this time. That was pretty bang on. See for your Ports Harbour to London Waterloo service.
I've got a glare on my video, like normally when you have like the bright strobes coming out like the side.
Yeah, I do have it.
I didn't have it either. It's because my camera's so bright.
So, what do I like about Liss coming in dark? Absolutely nothing, because it doesn't have floodlights.
What's floodlights?
So basically, it's 2 set of lights on the pole, and it's always on at night. Platform between the hours of
You mean so? Is floodlights like the ones that like bed hamptons got them like next to the crossing?
yeah.
Oh,
and
that.
Yes.
Yeah, I see what you mean. Like this station.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh.
But mind you, I'm surprised that these hasn't failed yet.
What do you mean these?
The LEDs on the barriers hasn't failed.
Oh.
And like with Petersfield again.
Petersfield failed again.
Mhm.
They need to put the new lights, replace these lights with different ones.
Well, with Petersfield,
What's the, you know the ones in Yorkshire? Those the older Alston barriers.
they're lovely,
They need to use those instead of these ones. These ones are awful.
but these are the Gen 2s,
Do you like the Gen 2s or Gen 1s?
Gen 1s. No, these are Gen 3s. The ones in Yorkshire are Gen 2s.
What
Gen
was
1s are the ones.
Are they like the big, thick ones?
No, those.
Yeah.
But with the LEDs were on top.
Oh, right.
So like with the
Gen 2s are good. Look at my camera.
and look at mine.
Oh, yours looks good. Do you like the bright effects on mine?
Yeah.
Oh, here it comes. Train's coming. With my glasses, it's like the
Blair.
glare. Yeah, that. That's what I was trying to think of. There it goes. I always stand back when the gates go up in all at once. So, like that, yeah.
See you in the next one. Goodbye.